try adding dust covers to your pillows and your mattress. Using really good filters in your home, like HEPA filters, are very helpful to cut down the allergens. Avoiding opening your windows during the spring and summer. Using a neti pot, or you can use a bottle like this, where you actually are flushing a saline solution up into your nose to help wash the things out that are in there. Those things all help a lot, because the less time that those pollens spend in contact with the lining in your nose, the less reactive you're going to be. So much has been placed over the counter instead of being prescription. You have things like Claritin and Zyrtec and Allegra and their generic equivalents that are all available that you can try. Flonase, Nasacort, and Rhinocort are all over the counter. And those are safe to use on an ongoing basis. They're actually the gold standard for first-line treatment of allergies. So